Hello and welcome to the Leading Edge Detailing Online Training Academy. Today we're going to be talking about search engine optimization and how to get your business up on Google and try to get it to the top of the first page. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. You probably are going to get a lot of phone calls from telemarketers about it when you start your business. And unfortunately, the higher you are on top of that first page, the more phone calls you're going to get. Why is it so important? It is free advertising. So when your website is ranking #1 on Google or on the first page, you don't have to pay for that. People are going to be searching car detailers in my area, ceramic paint protection and whatnot. And if you are the first search result right up there on Google, people are going to be clicking on your business and it's going to cost you absolutely nothing, which is far better than Google AdWords where you pay per click. So this subject is incredibly important and it is definitely worth you investing the time in watching this tutorial and then you investing the time in improving your Google search results. Let's get stuck straight into it. The factors that impact your search rankings on Google are the amount of content that you have that is relevant to what people are searching, the quality of that content, the number of mentions of relevant key search terms and keywords on your website speed and your user experience, and finally, the number of Google reviews you have. All of these things play a huge role in how you rank on Google search. And if you nail all of those for that particular search term that the customer is looking for, your website is going to be right up there in #1 and they're going to be clicking on your business and booking you in. Incredible way to make great money. Let's now look at every single one of these factors and dive into them closely and see how we can improve it for your website. The amount of content that you have that is relevant to what the customers are searching for is very important. And you can get content by doing the following. You can use text on your website, not images. I know that a lot of websites look amazing and fancy with these beautiful photos and images with text overlaid. That is actually very bad for search engine optimization because Google's bots crawl through the websites and they read the text and then they index the text onto their search platform. If they cannot read the text because it's all images, it's all JPEG, you're not going to be ranking up there. So those fancy looking websites that don't have text but have images or PDF or whatever it is these days, it's not really good for your search engine optimization. You need to have text instead of images. Not saying that you don't have images, have plenty of images, but make sure that those images have the correct file names that are relevant to that image or that are relevant to what you're looking for people to search for you. So for example, if you want to push paint correction and you have a beautiful photo of a car, or a beautiful photo of a 50/50, make sure that that file name has something that says in there, paint correction. Also, you need to write good descriptions of your detailing packages and also your paint protection packages. Don't just write full detail, $1,000. The more information you put about that full detail, maybe have a collapsible menu or a collapsible text so it doesn't clutter up your website. But make sure that you put text in there because the more text you have that keeps referencing those key search terms, the better you're going to rank on Google. You can also write a frequently asked questions list. People often search for frequently asked questions. How do I know my paint correction is done properly? What is the benefit of a ceramic coating? How can I prolong the life of my ceramic coating? All of these frequently asked questions are key search terms, and by you having that, it's going to add fantastic content that's going to put you right up there on Google search. Another thing that you can do, which is very popular for a really good reason, is blogs. Blogs and tutorials give you a way of adding a lot of text into the website that focuses on key search terms without making it look obvious that you're trying to add search terms into your website. People don't do blogs and tutorials for no reason. They do that so they can rate higher on Google and improve their search ranking. So write blogs about the benefits of ceramic coatings, why people should use IGL coatings, how to prolong the life of your ceramic coating. All kinds of things are very important and gives you great text to rank higher. Further to that, and I found that it helps me a lot. I don't know how it works because by no means am I an SEO marketing expert. I found that YouTube videos help. Put out a YouTube video on how to maintain your car, then link that back or embed it into your website. That helps a lot in the search It's all well and good to have a lot of content, but you have to make sure that the content is of high quality and relevance. Do not copy and paste other people's work. You will be penalized. Do not use AI to write it for you, although you can use AI to give you ideas or to help you summarize things, but you will always need to do it in your own words. If you copy and paste, Google is going to penalize you. It's going to know that you're taking somebody else's work, and it's actually not going to show you up onto the search results. Make sure you discuss hot topics. So if there is something trending like graphene ceramic paint protection, for example, write a blog about why graphene in Kenzo has improved it. Write relevant blogs. If you specialize in off-road vehicles, write a blog on how to clean your 4x4. Don't just write how to wash a car. All these things are going to give you very good quality search results and are going to help you on your Google listing. In terms of links, now I'm no expert in this. I know that SEO companies promise the world and give you 5 million backend links that I don't know how they work, and I don't think they work at all. Get your suppliers to link people to you, and then you link them back to your suppliers. So if you use IGL Coatings, ask the IGL Coatings website owner, so if you're in Australia, that's me, and say, look, how can I have a link from IGL Coatings to my website? You know, send me through a blog, send me through a video, and I'll put a link in there for your business. That's going to help improve your search results, because when you have reputable businesses have links to your website, it increases your credibility in the Google search. Key search terms, very important. Make sure your website is full of what you want people to look for. If you are focusing on ceramic coatings and paint protection, make sure you mention ceramic coatings and paint protection at every opportunity you can. If your website says ceramic paint protection 1,000 times, it's going to be more relevant in Google than a website that says it 10 times. So think about what you want to promote and make sure you incorporate those key search terms in your website. But don't just focus on one search term. So for example, if you're in Sydney and you want to promote detailing, definitely mention car detailing Sydney lots of times in your website, but you need to also spice it up a little bit, because people might not be writing car detailing Sydney. They might be writing car detailing near me or Sydney car detailer. So you also need to make sure that you're capturing more search terms that are relevant for you rather than focusing on just one. Again, touching into the mentions and keywords, make sure all of your file names and the names of the files for your photos are relevant as well, because Google reads the file names for your photos. So if you want ceramic paint protection to be ranking highly on your website, make sure that a lot of your photos have ceramic paint protection in the file name. Speed and user experience. This is a bit of a tough one, but also remember to compress your images to the best it can be compressed to without damaging the quality. The better that your website loads, the better that it's going to perform, and then Google will rate it higher. So make sure that you have very good mobile usability, because most people that go to your website are on their mobile phone. And keep your website updated and always use best practices in terms of the programs that you use. Also, make sure that your website flows properly. Don't just have a website full of photos or a website full of text. Your website needs to be a good website, because you can bring a lot of people in, but if you have a bad website, nobody's going to book you in. So make sure that you view your website, ask your friends and customers and family for feedback, and make sure that it flows logically. Every page has an action item, so have a book now or a contact us now or a phone number or a get in touch on every single page, and make it easy for your customers. The easier you make it for a customer to book you, the more likely that they're going to stay on your website instead of jump to another website. So have your packages clearly listed, have your prices if you want to put prices clearly there, make it easy for the customer to book you, make it easy for the customer to contact you. Don't put the most important information at the bottom of the page, because they're not going to scroll all the way down to find it. Make it easy for them. And finally, and most importantly, Google reviews. Ask every single one of your customers to give you a 5-star review, because the more reviews you have, the more credible you are. By having high amount of Google reviews, you're going to rank higher on Google search. So ask every single one of your customers for a 5-star review. Make sure you respond to any negative reviews, because customers still read the negative reviews. And I've had plenty of fake reviews in the past, or customers that were unreasonable. And by responding to them, people read it and actually end up booking you and telling you, hey, I read that review about your business and I like the way you responded to it. So do not ignore bad reviews. Respond to every single review, thank customers for a 5-star, let customers know what happened with a 1-star, and ask every single one for a review. And then reward them. If you want to give somebody a discount or a voucher or a free product for a review, do it. Bribe customers to review you. Every single review is worth a lot of money. Believe me when I say this, a Google review to me is worth more than $100. Now let's talk about the important pages that you should set up for your website and why. If you haven't already done so, jump onto Google, look up Google Search Console and make an account, and then link your website to that. This page is going to show you what people are searching when they view your website and the search terms that people are clicking on, and also where you rank on Google for various search terms. It will show you if you're improving or declining. It'll show you where your viewers are coming from. It's very important because if you are in Perth, you don't want to have a lot of traffic from Sydney. It's not going to make you any money. It's going to look amazing, but it's not going to make you any money. So make sure that you set up Google Search Console. It's for free. It is not the most complicated thing in the world to set up. Also set up Google Analytics. Google Analytics is going to track how your customers are not only finding you, but what they're doing on your website. So if you're seeing that a lot of people are clicking onto your website, there's 100 people a day or 1,000 people a day clicking on your website, but nobody's booking you in. You could actually see how that is flowing through your website. You can see where people are dropping off, and then you can try to address that problem. It's also a great way to see how effective your promotions are. So for example, at IGL Coatings, I heavily promoted IGL just not long ago, and we could see that there was over 2,000% increase in the number of people that were viewing the IGL Aegis page as opposed to the month prior. You want to see these things because you want to make sure that what you're doing is working. Otherwise, you're wasting time, money, and effort for nothing. So these things are very important to set up. They're all for free. It's going to need a bit of mucking around from your end to set up. But once you have done it, it's amazing. And as you would have seen in this video, I have it set up for both IGL Coatings Australia and Leading Edge, and I can see clearly what's happening. I highly recommend that you do the same. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative, and I look forward to the next tutorial with you.